Yo, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to be answering the question, is affiliate marketing a scam? So stay tuned.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long.
If you want to get more views on your YouTube gaming channel, go to growonyoutube.com/free chapter right now. When you go over there, you'll get to this page and you'll be able to discover the secret to getting more YouTube views with a free chapter of my book, A Gamer's Guide to Greatness. This free chapter will teach you how to use video SEO to bring more views to your gaming videos, how to make your videos rank on the first page of YouTube, and how to build a YouTube gaming channel that grows consistently. So definitely go to growonyoutube.com/free chapter and start growing your YouTube gaming channel today. Yo, what's going on? I'm Jay Cartere from growonyoutube.com, teaching you how to be better. And this is a very interesting topic for me as I do affiliate marketing. So obviously it's not a scam, otherwise I wouldn't be doing it. But it can be. The answer is no, it's not a scam, but it can be, depending on how you go about doing it. And you may end up, partnering with shady people and whatnot. But I want to quickly explain what affiliate marketing is and explain my introduction to affiliate marketing. So when I first heard about affiliate marketing, I thought probably a scam, in it, like all these make money online things, they're probably a scam. Very, very skeptical about making money online or making money or whatever. So I was very, very not full force ahead believing in affiliate marketing and thinking it was the holy grail or anything. So the first instance that I had to pay money to get involved in affiliate marketing was when I applied to a site called Affiliate Window. Affiliate Window, I think they require you to put down a £15 deposit. I'm unsure if it was 15 or £10, which you then get back if you make over £20 through the affiliate programs on that site. So this is like a big marketplace of affiliate programs you get to apply to. You can apply to a bunch of different affiliate programs, and the only reason why I signed up to this site is because I wanted to apply to a specific affiliate program from a store that I used to purchase my games, which I no longer use them anymore because they took too long to deliver one game and it made me like 3 days late on putting out content. So we're not promoting them, of course. But basically what affiliate marketing is well, no, let's get into that in a little bit. Let me continue with the story. So I thought, that if I have to pay a bit of money, I was very, very anxious. I was like, are they trying to scam me and whatnot? Whatever. I signed up, paid the money, haven't made the £20 back, to be honest. The commissions are so low on most of their programs that it's going to take you ages to make that amount of money. And when you're doing something as general as promoting a gaming store, when you've got a small amount of subscribers, a small amount of traffic, a small amount of views, you're not going to make that much money. So I didn't make that much money over there. I think my balance is at like £10 or something. So that wasn't very successful. And it was like, okay, affiliate marketing is there. I've made some commissions, maybe like £3 or something, but it wasn't something that I was like, yo, this is possible. You can do this, until much, much later. So let me explain what affiliate marketing is, and then I'll tell you how to do it right. That was kind of doing it wrong. It wasn't too bad. I was trying to do it right, but I'll tell you how to do it even better. So affiliate marketing, basically what it is a company usually has an affiliate program or a referral program. Like you'll see this all the time, like with Uber, they have a referral program. Amazon have the Amazon affiliate program. Like big companies generally have an affiliate program, and this basically gives you a commission when you refer sales to them, or it gives you credit on their products. Like Uber, they give you free rides and that sort of stuff. So when you have like your Uber link and people go through that, you get a free ride, or you get £10 or whatever the thing is right about now. I haven't really used the Uber affiliate program like that. I'm not really out there like that, but you get a commission on when people come through your link and they actually make a purchase. Now what that link does is it tracks a cookie in the system of anyone who clicks on it. So it says, okay, if this person buys this in a certain amount of days, then they came from this link, so this affiliate needs to get the commission, if you kind of understand what I'm saying there. So if they go through your link, depending on the affiliate program you have, some have like 30 days or 40 days or 60 days cookie expiration. If they purchase within a certain amount of time, then you'll get the commission. I think Amazon does 48 hours. There are affiliate programs that do 30 days and 60 days. Those are much better than Amazon's, but Amazon is such a big marketplace and people are getting there all the time, and you get paid off anything if people click through your link for like 48 hours. So that's pretty nice. So that's how affiliate marketing works. Simple terms, you get a link. When people go through that link, you get a commission. When people go through that link and purchase, you get a commission on whatever they bought. Now, the bad way to do it is to just sign up to affiliate programs and try and promote everything and just try and promote stuff that you don't care about, that you haven't used, for the sake of making money. That is the worst way to approach affiliate marketing. You're generally not going to be successful there because you're not going to have the passion to continue making content when you're not making any money, and you're not going to have the passion around the subject and the following around the subject that's going to allow you to actually make money from affiliate marketing. Now, let me give you an experience from my, positive experience with affiliate marketing. I've actually had two positive experiences with affiliate marketing. First off is TubeBuddy, and second off is Nitrado. I'm affiliates for both TubeBuddy and Nitrado. I generally promote TubeBuddy, well, that's in my descriptions, and Nitrado's in my descriptions, but I promote TubeBuddy more, aggressively, I guess, in my videos when I'm talking about how to grow a YouTube channel and how to do SEO and that sort of stuff. If I'm not using TubeBuddy, then I won't talk about it. But if I am using TubeBuddy in that video, then I'll say, you can go through my link, tubebuddy.com/Jay Cartere, and I'll get a small percentage, blah, blah, blah. You can use my code JaysBuddy to get 20% off. Great times. So I'm promoting a product that I use. I've been using TubeBuddy for like over 2 years, and I didn't become an affiliate until at least a few months of using that product. So I use that product and I promote it because it's something that I like and something that I use, and I know people who are watching these videos will appreciate that product. So that's how you do affiliate marketing right. Also, I promote Nitrado. I'm actually a partner for Nitrado, but I'm on their affiliate program, and it works the same as any other affiliate program basically. And in my ARC server tutorial videos, I will promote Nitrado because people who are watching those videos likely want to rent their own ARC Survival Evolved server. Maybe they've already got one, but if they're just looking around to see what you can do with these servers, then maybe they purchase it through my link, and a bunch of people have. So doing that allows me to make money on these videos through my partners, allows them to make money through these videos, and I don't really have to worry about AdSense, because the affiliate money is way better. And I'm promoting something that I actually use and enjoy. I use Nitrado servers. I've been using them since like September of last year, and those were the people who I went with first when they started allowing people to rent servers, and I was very excited to use them, and I've had a great experience with them, so I'm happy to recommend it. So that's how you really want to use affiliate marketing. You need to be recommending things that you'd recommend anyway to your friends and family and anyone who needs that particular service. Don't just go into it trying to recommend things to get a cut. Like, that's not going to work out positively for you. It'll be much better if you're recommending things that you use, that you love, because then it's easier to sell. Like, I can sell you TubeBuddy, I can sell you Nitrado servers because I love the product and I can see the benefits in it. I can also tell you about the disadvantages and all that sort of stuff because I use these products in and out, and I'd be happy recommending it to people. If I was like, I don't really want to recommend it, but I need to get the money, then don't do it. I wouldn't do it at that point because it's inauthentic. Your audience isn't going to like it if you even got an audience, and if you're building an audience, people aren't going to stick around if they see you being inauthentic and just trying to sling stuff to make money without actually trying to help them out with their problems. So that's really how you want to approach affiliate marketing. It's not a scam, but it can be if you're just promoting stuff for the sake of making money. If you're promoting stuff, if you go to like one of these big affiliate marketplaces and you just pick the highest commission items and you try and stuff that down people's throats and use ads and all this sort of stuff in order to make a sell, and you haven't tested out this thing and you haven't made sure that it's actually a quality product and it's actually going to help people, then it's a bit of a scam, and you may get into an affiliate program with a company that just doesn't pay you. I don't know, like that may happen, but I've never experienced that in my own experience. Like, all my affiliate programs have really been above and up above the board, and I've only worked with people who I knew seemed like they were cool, and I've only really been successful on affiliate programs where people were cool and they paid me the money, so I haven't had to worry about that. But I just wanted to give some information about affiliate marketing. I will be doing more videos about affiliate marketing coming down the line. Let me know about your experiences with affiliate marketing. Are you doing it? Are you not doing it? Are you interested in it? Do you think it's a scam? Do you not think it's a scam? Why? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you got any other questions or any other tutorials, videos you want me to make, let me know down below. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for the future affiliate marketing tutorials, as I think they'll really help you out. Thanks for watching and liking and subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next entrepreneurship tutorial video. Peace out. If you want to learn how I got over 23,000 subscribers and millions of views on my YouTube gaming channel, then you are in luck. Sign up to this free course right now. Link will be in the card, in the description, and in the pinned comment. Or go to growonyoutube.com/20k SEO course. In this course, you will learn the best way to write your video titles, tags, and descriptions to help you rank on the first page of YouTube. It's simple when you know what to do. I'll also show you a hack that will help you choose the right key phrases and help you create videos that can rank and get views no matter what game you play. Stop struggling to grow your YouTube gaming channel and start doing what works. Click on the link in the description or go to growonyoutube.com/20k SEO course. This course will not be up forever, so get in there as soon as possible. I hope to see you here soon, and I wish you the best of luck on your journey of turning your passion into your career.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long. So all this warmth I share with you